Alright, so jackfruit for the chicken in a pan. This time a little olive oil, salt, pepper, and dried oregano, and a little bit of yellow bell pepper. Some of it was cooked with the chicken, some of it was done raw. Same thing with the red onion scape. Scape is just what looks like a green onion, but it comes from a red onion when it starts to stem and flower. Couscous, salt, pepper. What else is in there? I think that's it. So the onion, the pepper, the chicken, the oregano. And I was out of tomatoes, so there's no tomatoes in there. You can do this warm. It tastes really good warm. I decided to chill it and have it the next night. So what I'm going to do tonight, orange goes good in this. Grapefruit might go good in it, but I'm not sure. I'm going to try these because I have to eat them before they go bad. Some dark black cherries. So I'll plate that on its own. And the rest of it I might try with the grapefruit or something else. Oh, I had a tiny little bit of garlic that I had, and I put that in while I was sauteing the chicken up as well. Alright, so it's got a really great flavor. Let me just double check it and taste it again. Yeah, that's good. Tomatoes would be nice, but it's still good with just this. The little bit of garlic, the onion, and the pepper, the bell pepper. And then I'm going to do it with that and see what happens. It's good. It brings a nice little sweetness to the oregano and a little bit of the garlic. It does real well with that. So yeah, that's a nice little thing. You can do whatever you want, put whatever you want in it, but you can do the chicken any kind of style. I used oregano. You can do sage, rosemary. You can do basil. You can do other kinds of herbs or seasoning from like Asian or Middle Eastern or Caribbean or whatever you want to do, depending on what you like. I chose to do it this way today. It's really good. All right, that's it. Simple. Young jackfruit means it's not mature. Just shred it up, drain it, shred it up, and get all the water out before you throw it in the pan with some oil. And add whatever kind of herbs and salt, pepper, and spices to your taste. Do some couscous and whatever you want to put in it. All right, simple and good. And I do like the black cherries in it. And I like it cold. Most couscous salads and stuff I do with couscous, I always eat it cold. This one I actually like it warm better. There was something really good about the way the chicken tasted in this dish warm. It sort of had more flavor warm than it did chilled overnight. But it's good both ways, but I really did prefer this version warm. All right? That's it. Lots of love to you. Bye.